30 Filipino words with full reduplication. In case you're wondering what full reduplication means, it's repeating the entire word to show emphasis, repetition, frequency, or intensity. In Tagalog, words are fully reduplicated to express ideas like time, quantity or variety, or condition or intensity. Here's our first fully reduplicated Tagalog word related to time. Oras-oras. Oras-oras. Meaning every hour or hourly. Araw-araw. Araw-araw. Every day or daily. Gabi-gabi. Gabi-gabi. Every night or nightly. Linggo-linggo. Linggo-linggo. Every week or weekly. Buwan-buwan. Buwan-buwan. Every month or monthly. Taon-taon. Taon-taon. Every year, yearly or annually. Isa-isa. Isa-isa. One by one at a time or individually. Iba-iba. Iba-iba. Various, different, or a variety of something. Butas-butas. Butas-butas. Full of holes or wholly. Sabay-sabay. Sabay-sabay. All at the same time or simultaneously. Dikit-dikit. Dikit-dikit. Stuck close together or clustered. Pantay-pantay. Pantay-pantay. Level, even, or equally. Sama-sama. Sama-sama. Together, all together, or as a group. Halo-halo. Halo-halo. Mixed, assorted, or a Filipino dessert. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. Slowly or gently. Unti-unti. Unti-unti. Gradually or little by little. Putol-putol. Putol-putol. Cut into many pieces, fragmented, or intermittent. Gawa-gawa. Gawa-gawa. Made up as in stories or fabricated. Kalat-kalat. Kalat-kalat. Scattered around or spread out. Lubak-lubak. Lubak-lubak. Full of manholes or bumpy. Uka-uka. Uka-uka. Having many notches or hollows or pitted. Sunod-sunod. Sunod-sunod. Successive or one after another. Ano-ano. Ano-ano. It's the plural form of ano, meaning what, and translates to what things, which ones, or what kinds in English. It is used when asking about multiple items, types, or ideas. Ano-ano. Sino-sino. Sino-sino. It's the plural form of sino, meaning who, and is equivalent to which people in English. It is used when asking about multiple persons or referring to several people. Sino-sino. Saan-saan. Saan-saan. It's the plural form of saan, meaning where, and translates to in various places or which places in English. It is used when referring to several locations or asking about more than one place. Saan-saan. Alin-alin. Alin-alin. Meaning, which ones? Alin-alin is used when asking someone to choose or identify multiple items or options from a group. Alin-alin. Basag-basag. Basag-basag. Shattered or broken into pieces. This Tagalog adjective is commonly used for breakable items like mirrors or glasses. Punit-punit. Punit-punit. Torn to pieces or tattered. Sabog-sabog. Sabog-sabog. Scattered everywhere or spread out messily. Kulang-kulang. Kulang-kulang. Incomplete or lacking in many ways. Tuloy-tuloy. Tuloy-tuloy. Continuous or uninterrupted.